And next, okay, we're going to talk about factorization using algebraic identities. Okay, and what are identities? A squared plus 2ab plus b squared, okay, can be condensed in the form a plus b squared. Alright, if you expand it, it becomes this. If you factorize, it becomes this simplified term. Alright, and if you have an expression in the form of a squared minus 2ab plus b squared, you get a minus b squared. If you got a squared minus b squared equals to a plus b, a minus b. So if you have got an example like that, x squared plus 2x plus 1, okay, it most resembles the first identity. Let's call this the second identity. This is the third. It most resembles the first identity. Alright. Okay, so you have a squared plus 2. Okay, you know that this is your last term, which is a b. Okay, 2a b, which is still 2x plus b squared. So you have it in this form, a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So you know that a is x and your b is 1. Okay, so you've just factorized it. Okay, let me just write it neatly. Okay, x plus 1 squared. Okay, you might get something like this, 4y squared minus 12y plus 9. This most resembles the second identity. Okay, the first identity resembles this. Okay, and so let's put it in the form of a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So a squared will be this, okay, minus 2, a would be 2y, and your b would be 3. Okay, you square root 9, you get 3. Okay, 2 times 2, just to check, 2 times 2 will give you 4, 4 times 3 will give you 12y. Okay, plus 3 squared. So here you know your a is 2y and your b is 3. So the condensed form will be 2y, because of this negative sign here, it will be 2y minus 3 squared. Okay, yet another example. Okay, if you have x squared minus 16, alright, this most resembles the third identity. Alright, so put it in the form of a squared minus b squared. Okay, you get x plus 4, x minus 4. So this is just a few examples on how you can use algebraic identities to help you to factorize.